Question number 58. ABC Limited, Noida, Uttar Pradesh is a supplier of machinery used for making bottle caps. The supply of machinery is effected as under the wholesale price of the machinery, excluding all taxes and other expenses at which it is supplied in the ordinary course of business to various customers is 42 lakhs. But don't take 42 lakhs as the value, because 42 lakhs is the price at which usually they will be selling. But what is the actual price at which they have charged to the customer? We don't know. So now, however, the actual price at which the machinery is supplied to an individual customer varies within a range of plus or minus 10% depending upon the terms of contract of supply with the particular customer. Apart from the price of the machinery, ABC Limited charges from the customer the following incidental expenses: associated handling and loading charges of 10,000, installation and commissioning charges of 1 lakh, and the machinery can be dismantled and erected at another site if required. So, apart from the price, what they will be charging are associated handling and loading 10,000, installation and commissioning 1 lakh. The machinery can be dismantled and erected at another site if required. The above charges are compulsorily levied in case of supply of machinery. Means what? This 10,000 and 1 lakh is incidental expenses and it should be included in the value. Why it should be included in the value? Because incidental expenses charged by the supplier to the recipient should be included in the value. Then, transportation of machinery to the customer's premises is arranged by ABC Limited through third-party service provider. Actually, is it ABC Limited's job to take it to the customer's site? No. So, because here if you see, the customer enters into a separate contract with GT and pays the freight directly to it. So, actually, first of all, if it is the liability of the supplier which is incurred by the recipient, then only it should be included in the value. It is not the liability of the supplier which is incurred by the recipient. Therefore, it is not required to be included. Okay. So, then the company provides 1 year free warranty for the machinery. However, the company also provides an extended 2-year warranty on payment of additional charge of 3 lakhs. So now, in this case, will it be included? The company provides 1 year warranty. Yes, provided if the recipient opts for that additional warranty, it will be included. Otherwise, it will not be included. A cash discount of 2% on the price of the machinery is offered at the time of supply if the customer agrees to make the payment within 15 days. So here, first of all, the discount is given. Before at the time of supply itself, discount is given with the condition that the payment should be made within 15 days. So it is a pre-supply discount or a post-supply discount. It's a pre-supply discount allowed as a reduction. So in the event of failure to make the payment within the stipulated time, the company recovers the discount given and charges interest at the rate of 1% per month. So this is for non-payment of consideration on time. They will be charging interest and recovering the discount. Okay. Now, so 1% per month are part of the month of the total amount due from the customer from the date of making supply till the date of payment. However, no interest is charged on the tax dues. Then, for every machinery supplied by ABC Limited, receives a grant of 2 lakh from its holding company DEF Limited. So, grant, that is subsidy, will be received, subsidy from other than CG or SG. So, to be included in the value. ABC Limited has supplied a machinery to D Private Limited on August 1st. Actually, the question starts from here. ABC Limited has supplied a machinery to D Private Limited on August 1st at a price of 40 lakhs, excluding all taxes. D Private Limited has its corporate office in New Delhi. However, the machinery has been installed at its manufacturing unit located in Gurugram, Haryana. D Private Limited has paid the freight directly to the GTA and opted for 2-year warranty. Now, additional warranty they have opted. Discount at 2% was given to D Private Limited as it agreed to make the payment within 15 days. Actually, when the supply is happening, August 1st. So, within 15 days they should pay. But however, D Private Limited paid the consideration on 31st October. So, which means the payment is not made on time, because of which the discount offered will be recovered and even interest will be levied. So now this question needs to be answered in two parts. First, based on tax invoice, then based on debit note. Okay. So now the GST rates are given. Bottle cap making machine, service of transportation of goods, other service involved in the above supply. Calculate the GST payable on the machinery and support your conclusions with the relevant legal provisions. Now, so we will start with the answer. So you can see this. First, we need to take the price. What is the price involved? The price involved is 40 lakhs. Don't take 42 lakhs. Why we should not take 42 lakhs? Because 42 lakhs is the usual price. But what is the price at which they are charging it to the customer now? Only 40 lakhs. So for the sale. So therefore we will take 40 lakhs. Then start from the beginning. What is the first number? 10,000. To be included or to be excluded? That is to be included. Why? Incidental charges. In the given price, it is not included. So all these are additional. All these are additional apart from the price of the machinery. So therefore, it is not included. And as per provision, first as per provision, we need to see. It is to be included as per provision. In the given price, it is not included. So we need to add. What is 10,000? Then again 1 lakh also same. So to be included because it is incidental and the given price it is not included. So this is additional. So therefore we need to add 1 lakh. Then this GTA services will not come because it is the liability of the recipient incurred by the recipient. It will not come. Warranty charges 3 lakhs. Whether T Private Limited opted for the extended warranty? Yes. So therefore the 3 lakhs will be included again. Other charges charged by the supplier to recipient before delivery of the goods to be included in the value and the given price it is not included, so we need to add. Then next one, discount. Discount 2% on the price of the machinery. It is pre-supply discount and it is allowed as a reduction. So price of the machinery 40 lakhs. So 40 lakhs into 2%, 80,000. 80,000 will be allowed as a reduction. Now this is with respect to the invoice for the month of August. For the month of August, so this is the August 2021. So now interest and all will come later. Then subsidy. Subsidy from whom? Subsidy from other than CGRSG. Is it directly into the price or not directly into the price? Directly into the price. How do we know that it is directly into the price? That subsidy is received with respect to every product sold. So therefore it is directly into the price. It is to be included in the given price. It is not included. So we need to add. So 2 lakhs we need to add. In the absence of information, the given price is after considering subsidy. After considering subsidy means what? Well, arriving at 40 lakhs. This 2 lakhs they would have reduced already. So it is to be included. In the given price it is excluded. So we need to add 2 lakhs. Now, what is the total? So this is the value. That is 40 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 1 lakh plus 3 lakhs minus 80,000 plus 2 lakhs. So 45 lakh 30,000 is taken as the value. And what is the GST payable on this? So GST payable on this will be 45 lakh 30,000 into bottle cap making mission. So where the supplier is located? Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And so where is it installed or erected at site? T Private Limited, T Private Limited. So has its corporate office in New Delhi. Uttar Pradesh to New Delhi IGST liability. So IGST payable will be how much? So because we need to take place of supply as the ending point of the goods. Suppose if any goods are assembled or installed at site, we need to take location of installation or assembly. So what is the location of assembly, installation or assembly as per section 10(1)(d) of IGST Act? The location where the goods are installed or assembled will be taken as a place of supply. In this case, the location where goods are installed or assembled is New Delhi. The location of supply is Uttar Pradesh. The place of supply is New Delhi. Therefore, it is an interstate supply chargeable to IGST at the rate of 12%. So we need to take 12% on this. So 45 lakh 30,000 into 12% will be 5,43,600. 5,43,600 will be taken. What pa? Gurugram, Haryana. Sorry. Yes, installed in Haryana. Correct. So then also it is interstate supply only. Location of installation. It is not the ending point. Location of installation Haryana, that will be taken. So therefore interstate supply GST only 5,43,600. This is over. With respect to the invoice. With respect to the invoice, this is completed. Okay. 5,43,600. Now, tax liability for the month of October 2021, we need to find. Why? Debit note is given. So, debit note is given for which period? Come on here. Debit note is given for October 2021. For October 2021, debit note is issued. So, in the debit note, what they will do? First, they will recover the discount. Discount recovered. How much is the discount recovered? Discount recovered is 80,000 plus interest. What is the interest that is recovered? The interest recovered is 1% for every month or part thereof. Correct? 1% for month or part thereof on the total amount due from the customer from the date of making supply. What is the date on which supply is made? August. Till the date of payment, October. So August, September, October, 3 months. So 3%. 1% for every month, so 3%. On what? Amount due from the customer. So this 45,30,000 is not due from the customer. Why? So out of this 45,30,000, 2 lakhs is due from holding company. 2 lakhs is receivable from the holding company, not from the customer. And even 80,000 also due from the customer because 80,000 is also recovered into 3%. Into 3%. So 45,30,000 minus 2 lakhs is not due from him, is due from the holding company. 80,000 is also recovered. So therefore 44,10,000 into 3%, 1,32,300. Now, what is the total? So 1,32,300 plus 80,000 will be 2,12,300. I told you. In the absence of information, whatever interest or discount recovered, interest, late fee or penalty or any other amount recovered from the recipient on account of delay in receipt of consideration, so we need to take it on an inclusive basis. So what will be the IGST on this? 2,12,300 into what is the rate applicable to the product here? The rate applicable to the product is bottle cap making machine is 12%. So we need to take the 12% divided by 112. So 2,12,300 into 12 divided by 112 will be coming to 22,746. 22,746. So you can see that 22,746 is taken. You understood? The IGST is 22,746. So this is how we need to arrive at the answer here. First with respect to the invoice, then with respect to the debit note. Any doubt in this question? Because see the question. The interest is computed on the total amount due from the customer. What is the total amount due from the customer? Interest is computed on total amount due from the customer. Actually 45,30,000 is not due from the customer. In that this 2 lakhs is from holding company, correct? So then from others, that is not due from the customer. That's why we are taking out 2 lakhs. Okay? Any other query? In the absence of information, always interest should be taken as inclusive of GST. This interest, late fee or penalty should be assumed to be inclusive of GST because usually when we collect this interest, on the top of that we will not be collecting any GST due to that reason.